Imitation Gilgeous-Alexander, born July 12, 1998, also known by his initials SGA, is a Canadian professional basketball player for the Oklahoma City Thunder of the National Basketball Association, NBA. He is a three-time NBA All-Star, a three-time All-NBA first-team member, and was named the NBA Most Valuable Player MVP for the 2024-25 NBA season. During that season, Gilgeous-Alexander also led the Thunder to their first NBA championship since relocating from Seattle to Oklahoma City, becoming the 11th Canadian to win an NBA title. Gilgeous-Alexander played one season of college basketball for the Kentucky Wildcats. He was selected 11th overall by the Charlotte Hornets in the first round of the 2018 NBA Draft before being traded to the Los Angeles Clippers on draft night. In his rookie season with the Clippers, Gilgeous-Alexander made an appearance in the 2019 NBA playoffs and was named to the NBA All-Rookie Second Team. Following his rookie season, he was traded to the Oklahoma City Thunder in July 2019. In his first season with the Thunder, Gilgeous-Alexander was their leading scorer and led the team to the 2020 NBA playoffs as the fifth seed. After dealing with injuries over the next two seasons, he was named to his first NBA All-Star game and was voted to the All-NBA First Team in 2023, finishing fourth in the league in scoring with 31.4 points per game. In the 2020-25 NBA season, Gilgeous-Alexander won the NBA Most Valuable Player MVP award after leading the league in scoring with an average of 32.7 points per game. He later won the NBA Finals MVP award as the Thunder won the 2025 NBA Finals, becoming the fourth player in NBA history to win the MVP award, Finals MVP award, and scoring title all in the same season. Additionally, Gilgeous-Alexander became the second Canadian to win the MVP award, following Steve Nash, who first claimed it in back-to-back seasons in 2005 and 2006, and the first Canadian ever to win the Finals MVP award. With the Canada men's national basketball team, Gilgeous-Alexander won the bronze medal at the 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup and was named to the All-Tournament team. In 2023, he received the Northern Star Award as Canada's Athlete of the Year, becoming only the second basketball player to earn the award since Steve Nash first won it in 2005. Gilgeous-Alexander was born on July 12, 1998, in Toronto, Ontario, and grew up in nearby Hamilton. His mother, Charmaine Gilgeous, is a former professional track athlete who competed in the women's 400 meters for Antigua and Barbuda at the 1992 Summer Olympics. His father, Von Alexander, also of Antiguan descent, played high school basketball and won a Toronto City championship while attending Georgia's Vanier Secondary School in the early 1990s. Gilgeous-Alexander's father coached him during his youth. He began high school in Hamilton at St. Thomas More Catholic Secondary School before transferring to nearby Sir Allan McNabb Secondary School. He later moved to the United States and attended Hamilton Heights Christian Academy in Chattanooga, Tennessee for his junior and senior years to improve his basketball skills, graduating in 2017. Player profile, listed at 6 feet 6 inches tall and weighing 195 pounds. Gilgeous-Alexander is a combo guard known for his ability to slash through defenses and score on all 3 levels. His 6'11" wingspan, body control, speed, and embrace of defensive contact make him one of the best slashers in the history of the NBA, boasting a 68% career field goal percentage within 3 feet of the basket. Though he has yet to receive an all-defensive team selection, Gilgeous-Alexander is regarded as a solid two-way player, known for his ability to jump passing lanes and block shots as a guard. He earned all-defensive team votes from 2023 to 2025 and placing 7th in the voting for the 2020 for Defensive Player of the Year award. Gilgeous-Alexander has earned widespread praise across the NBA for his leadership, work ethic, and maturity. Former teammates Patrick Beverley and Chris Paul recognized his relentless work ethic and dedication to the game from beginning of his career, with Beverley comparing Gilgeous-Alexander's mindset to the likes of Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan. Thunder head coach Mark Daigneault has praised Gilgeous-Alexander for his composure and selflessness, highlighting how he leads by example on and off the court. Gilgeous-Alexander has faced heavy fan criticism on social media for his high free throw numbers and tendency to embellish contact when driving. He led the NBA in total free throws made from the 2020-23 season to the 2020-25 season, though he has never led in free throws attempted. Legal issues. Gilgeous-Alexander purchased a lakefront property in Burlington, Ontario in May 2023, which had previously been occupied by bankrupt cryptocurrency trader Aden Pleterski. Within days of moving in, Gilgeous-Alexander and his partner vacated the residence due to ongoing security concerns related to Pleterski's highly publicized fraud and bankruptcy case, which had led to threats and repeated visits from investors seeking Pleterski. Gilgeous-Alexander subsequently filed a lawsuit to rescind the purchase, alleging that the seller, who had leased the property to Pleterski, failed to disclose the property's connection to the trader and the associated safety risks. The court ruled in favor of Gilgeous-Alexander, finding fraudulent misrepresentation on the part of the seller and awarded him damages for mortgage and insurance payments incurred. Consequently, the purchase was reversed and the seller's appeal was denied. The case set a precedent in Ontario real estate law by expanding the scope of required property disclosures to include latent safety risks beyond the physical condition of the property. Gilgeous-Alexander's home in Nichols Hills, Oklahoma, was burglarized while he was at the Paycom Center in downtown Oklahoma City, playing the Washington Wizards on October 30th, 2025. Personal life, Gilgeous-Alexander has one sibling, a younger brother named Thomas E. Gilgeous-Alexander, who played college basketball for the Evansville Purple Aces and Northeastern Oklahoma A&M Neo. Gilgeous-Alexander is of Antiguan descent. Gilgeous-Alexander's first cousin, Nickel Alexander Walker, is an NBA player for the Atlanta Hawks. The two share a close relationship, having lived together at their high school coach Zach Farrell's house. Gilgeous-Alexander married his high school sweetheart, Haley Summers, on February 14, 2024. They gave birth to a son named Aries on April 25, 2024. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.